everyone. Start off by leaving out a section of the hair in the front. Now take a section of the hair in the back, tie a rubber band to it. Tie a low ponytail, add a rubber band in the middle of this. Now tie it upwards, roll it up and then pin it up in place. Just sit as neatly. Now take the section from the front. Now wrap this around the bun that you've created at the back. Pin it up using a multiple prong decorative pin. Take the other section of the hair that you left out in the front and now begin to braid it. As you progress with this braid, use your fingers in order to loosen one side of it as such. Wrap this around the bun as well. Add decorative clips around it. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back and roll the hair in on itself. Tie a low ponytail to the hair, divide the hair into three parts. Put two of the extreme ends, add rubber bands in the middle and roll the hair in on itself. Make a braid in the middle of it, add another rubber band in the middle, roll this upwards and then pin it up in place. Use a bobby pin in order to pin it up in place as such. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself. Gather all of the hair together at the bottom and then begin to make a braid out of the hair. Now roll this braid upwards onto a bun, insert it into the upper section and pull it through. Once you are done with this, wrap it around, use bobby pins to fasten it in its place. You may add a decorative multiple prong pin on top of this. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back. Now, roll the hair in on itself through the section and then gather it together at the bottom to make a low ponytail. Divide the hair into two sections, add a rubber band in the middle of both of these sections and roll the hair in on itself through both of these sections in the middle. Now, join it together and then add another rubber band. Fold this over into a bun, use a multiple prong decorative pin. Next, start off by tying a ponytail and roll this ponytail in on itself through the side as such. Now, once you have done this through the side, you may add a rubber band in the middle of the section. Comb it together before you do so, and then once you do so, roll it upwards and then fasten it into place as a bun as such. Fold the ends inwards so that it does not jut out. Now use a multiple prong decorative pin, fasten it through the side to keep it in its place. Adjust the hair around it. Next, we'll start off by taking two sections of the hair, or take the top section of the hair and then add a rubber band at the back, roll the hair in on itself and then gather the hair together at the bottom. Now take a section of the hair from the right side, pull it through the top at the middle and then take a section of the hair from the left side, pull it through the middle once again. Make a braid with the rest of the hair and then tie a rubber band to it. Roll this upwards and then use a bobby pin in order to do so and then cover the hair, that is the rest of it, around the braid as such. Next, use a decorative multiple prong pin on top of all of this to make it look all the more aesthetically pleasing. Next, we'll start off by taking two sections of the hair, tie it up at the back and then roll the hair in on itself through the section. Now, once you have done this, tie a low ponytail to the hair at the bottom, lift this ponytail upwards, add a rubber band in the middle of this section, use a decorative pin in order to pin it up in place. Next, we'll start off by tying a ponytail to the hair, add a hair stick to the hair, divide it into two parts, that is the ponytail, wrap this around the hair stick as such in multiple layers and then tie it at the bottom, insert it underneath. Next, we'll start off by gathering the hair together, wrap the hair around the finger, twist it in order to do so, and then fasten it in its place. Use a multiple prong decorative pin in order to do so. This is what it should look like. Thank you for watching.